Okay, we have our head. We're going to paint our head here. We've got this one that we're going to do. We're going to give it a coat of paint, let it dry, and then give it a second coat. We'll also do the hands and the mouth for this. I'm using airbrush gun, so I'm going to use this red airbrush paint, which you can get at any craft store. So we'll get this painted, let it dry, and then we'll give it a second coat. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it.